In this video we're going to process and mix a TR909 kit, using a combination of cheap outboard processing and modern software treatments. The punchy TR909 kick responds really well to grungy analog drive, so we've recorded a 4/4 kick hot through a Mackie CR1604 mixer to give it some cheap 90s flavour. This kind of drive can exacerbate low-mid mud in the kick, so we've carved out some low-mid frequencies with an EQ, just to tame the mud. And we've also high-passed excessive sub, and just accentuating the click by boosting here as well. And after that, we've got some chunky compression just to add a bit of punch. What we've done on this second kick channel is create an extra distorted version. So we've used more forceful mixer input gain just to push the 909 kick into real trashy territories. Again, we've tamed low-mid bloat with some subtractive EQ. And then some transient shaping and compression reshape the squash hits dynamics. Boosting the kick's fundamental will reintroduce low weight that intense distortion like this can remove. Step sequencing encourages improvisational programming. So instead of placing the clap sound on the traditional beats 2 and 4, we've jammed in a syncopated clap pattern using the TR8. And we also layered the kick's rim shot over the same notes for thickness. So once that was recorded in, we've used some subtle auto panning and delay just to spread out the repeated claps. The swung 909 closed and open hi-hats give the groove a signature flavour that you recognise from many genres. And again, we've got some subtle auto panning to spread the sound out. Sustained, pitched up cymbal notes are placed on the offbeat. And then soaked in reverb, giving us a wide splashy layer. Rather than just using the kit sounds as they're intended to be used, you can get creative and layer up extra parts of the kit. Try using short cymbal or ride notes to creatively back up the offbeat hi-hat. Here, another cymbal part is mirroring the open hat's notes, adding attack. We've panned them to the far right of the stereo field, just to add an extra dimension to the groove. We've also got some overdriven snares dotted throughout the groove. And we've also got these toms that we've really driven through the mixer. And these are also being panned. And then there's a delayed crash just to signify the downbeat. To finish, we bust the drums to a single group. Upon upon which we've applied some subtle but really dirty parallel compression using Sli-Fi's deflector plugin. So here's our finished 909 groove.